Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you TurboVPN review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you've been spending or if you spend any time looking for a quick way to get around the web or web blocks on your phone or laptop here, you have definitely run across TurboVPN. Now, the one with the famous little orange rabbit here or rabbit logo. Now, it is incredibly popular for a good reason, especially if you want a zero friction tool that just works without forcing you to deal with complicated technical menus. Now, you literally just download the app, tap the giant button, and watch the rabbit run here. And within a few seconds, you're securely connected. Now, there are actually some really impressive things going on with TurboVPN that makes it a fantastic choice for everyday use. Now, for starters, its global infrastructure has grown to be absolutely massive, giving you access to thousands of servers across dozens of countries. Now, what makes it a huge favorite for a lot of people is that they may bake in specialized optimized server routes specifically tuned for smooth video streaming and popular mobile gaming. Now, if you are trying to play matches with international friends or stream a lock show here, it handles the network routing to keep your ping times here and lag surprisingly low. Now, on top of that, it packs military grade encryption and they successfully passed the Independent Mobile Application Security Assessment audit for Android, which is a massive green flag that proves that they take their mobile safety credentials seriously. Now, it is an amazing, dead simple option if you just need a reliable shield to protect your passwords on sketchy public Wi Fi networks or quickly smash through school or workplace internet restrictions. Now, in this case, of course, because it is a freemium service, so there are a couple of small caveats here you should keep in mind when you're using it. Now, if you are strictly sticking to a completely free tier here, you are going to have to deal with some pretty aggressive ads popping up before you can connect, and your server choice and speeds will be a bit restricted compared to the premium version here. Also, while they promise a strict no logs policy, their overall corporate network hasn't gone through a full comprehensive third-party privacy audit as of right now. So that's a few things that you need to keep in mind. But honestly, if you're just trying to run a top secret data, or if you aren't trying to run top secret data here or data operation and just want a a friendly, fast, and incredibly simple tool to unblock your favorite apps, well, in this case, if you want to watch those global videos and keep your daily browsing secure, well, Tuber VPN is a super convenient choice to keep right in your back pocket. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.